Hello with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So it is that time where I will be prepping my classic horizontal as well as my Hemlock and Oak monthly spreads. And I'm going to just flip through to July just so you can see what it looks like. And with July, I actually really enjoyed this because there are the goal setting here, things that you want to do. And then here, I really wanted to keep track of my reading, and I think I've done pretty well with that. And then in this page, I'm actually going to print off pictures as kind of like a collage space for, you know, the fun stuff that's happened in the month. So then this is what the actual monthly spread looks like in my Hemlock and Oak. And I have loved using the habit tracker down the side, but I've also used this main area for social media planning. So when I'm posting videos and when I'm posting pictures in Instagram, and also planning out like when videos are being published on YouTube. But then I also use this to kind of pre-plan appointments, events, and things like that. So really this monthly spread is multi-purpose, whereas in my classic horizontal, I decorate it using the same stickers, but I use this as a gratitude journal. So one thing a day, I write down things that I am grateful for. So far, I'm actually really happy with it. And part of me wants to start incorporating like emojis in this, but we will see. So then for the month of August, decided that I would use the stickers from the Happy Planner, the Teacher Florals, and I'll probably bring in some washi. I don't know which ones yet, but I will bring in some washi and mild liners. Always mild liners. But I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to decorate these two spreads using one set of sticker books. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Hemlock and Oak, and I'm kind of just looking at what I did here. Okay, so using this sticker book, like I can't get over how gorgeous this is. I love this book. I've used all the blue florals already, so I'm gonna do this. Let's do this first. I'm gonna do this side first, and I'm just referring to how I did it originally because I like having that tilt back on. So I'm also going to letter in the month of August. Making sure I'm still in frame here. Okay. So then there's also I thought there were full boxes that I could work with, but I don't think there are that many. But I like this. What can you do to get closer to your goals this month? And I feel like I could put this down here. Or do I just want to use up the whole space? Because there's quite a few, I feel like there's a few goals that I want to jot down. Okay, so we'll focus on 3, because I feel like more than 3 is a bit much. I'm going to put this one on this side. Straight, Karina, put them down straight. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was stressful. And that's still not perfectly straight, but whatever. I'm gonna put important. Actually, no, I won't. And then 3 small positive ways you can carve out time for self-care. And then I really love these florals. And I think it's the perfect time to bring out the grid washi, although there is a grid on here already. So there's that grid washi, or I think I'll have to stick with the grid, keep it simple. I don't know what it is, but I love that. Then just adding a little bit here, and I'll add a little floral there as well. So maybe Or there's a quote. Oops. Maybe just a smaller. Let's put in a gold foil. Why not? Let's mix it all up. I scared Lucy earlier. She was actually lying under my desk earlier, and I scared her off by dropping my camera onto my desk. Smooth. There we go. Just a little bitty one. Okay. Actually, I adore that. Then for here, I'm also going to, like, my goal is to really read. I'm really into reading, but I'm trying to think now. I think I've got reading down, but I have to think about what other goal I want to put in here. So then I feel like I can have a bit of fun with this. So I'm going to this down on this side, and it does take up a lot of space. Oh, and I didn't put that down properly. And then I'm gonna put, with challenge comes growth. And I feel like August is gonna be one of those challenging months for me because I am opening my sticker shop. If you had asked me a month ago if I was gonna open up a sticker shop, I'd have been like, no. And I don't know what it was that changed it for me. But I am opening up a sticker shop, guys. My date in mind is, where do I want to put this? The date I have in mind is August 14th, which is my daughter's birthday, that I will be opening. So keep an eye out for that. I still can't believe that I'm saying that I'm opening up a sticker shop, but I am. Put those two together. And then the washing here. Okay, I keep that side very, very simple because just even looking at it, it looks fantastic. But I do want to maybe add a little tiny floral here, or just the word important. And I don't use the reward portion because for me, I want to know that I've read. Okay, so moving on to this. I am all over the place. Moving on to that. So, okay. Moving on to this, I'm going to write or hand letter the word August. And I've already written the dates in here for the month, so then I'm going to go ahead and start decorating. I'm going to remove these. So I have all the space down here and all the space up here. And I want to use some really pretty quotes. Gosh, I'm almost done this book. It's crazy. And I just want to see what teach from the heart. Take this and place that here. Now I'm going to end up covering a lot of that text. But I could put this here, but that's a Monday. And I don't want to actually really cover up the days because I do use them. Unless I put that here. Cover a little bit of the 6th and the 7th, which is not a huge deal. Then add in the florals. Oop. Like that. And of course, ooh, almost lost that. Washing. I'm really trying to be intentional about my stash and what I'm using, and like I have used a lot of this already. But yes, like being intentional about what I buy, what I'm using, because I actually really had to cull my sticker book stash, and then I went and bought a whole bunch of stickers from smaller sticker shops, which I do not mind at all. I'm going to put this down. The dreams become goals when you plan. And I feel like this is an important message for me this month. And I'll put down a few more florals. I always love the transparent ones because they're just so pretty. Put one down here, and then I'll put one here. Whoops. Okay, then the next thing I will be doing is actually down the side. So referring to July, I did have a little thing up here with, I feel like this sticker book would have like goals or something. Okay, so I decided that instead of trying to decorate first, I will actually put down the days of the week first, or the days of the month, so that I knew exactly how much space. Did I only put 30 days for July? Wow, and I'm only noticing that now. 31. Wow, okay. So, hot mess alert. Hot mess alert. All right, I'm gonna speed through this here for you guys. All right, I actually really like the way that it is looking. So what I'm gonna do now then is go ahead and fill in my events, but also fill in the schedule that I've got for Instagram and YouTube. All right, so there is that finished spread. I've written in some things that I need to know ahead of time. So, you know, I'm going away for a weekend, when I'm the Saturday supervisor, Robin's birthday, and when the shop is opening. And I've also listed my, well, pre-written in like the Instagram and YouTube posts, and then I will fill that in as the month goes on. And then my habit tracker down the side. So that is my monthly spread in my Hemlock and Oak, and I love that. Love the bright colors, love the florals, love, love, love. So now let's go over to my monthly spread in my classic horizontal. All right, so here's my classic horizontal that I use for journaling, and I can already see a difference because this one is a Sunday start, whereas the one in the Hemlock and Oak, the monthly spread, is a Monday start. So I get a little mixed up sometimes. Okay, so let's see. Did I use all the quotes in here already? I feel like I have. What we learn becomes part of who we are. Now, is this too big to go in here? No. But then there's also quotes in this book. Teach from the heart. Never stop learning. Okay. Not a ton of quotes to work with. So I'm going to just use this. Today is a good day to have a good day. Like that. And then I'm also going to add actually some of these around the spread. Like here, the world needs your magic. And then I'm going to put one more on this side. Hooray for today. Ooh, pretty. And then let's put some florals up and down the side. And just a mix of them. Like, I have no rhyme or reason as to how I put these down. I just think they're gorgeous, and I'm gonna use them. Though, I feel like now a big quote needs to go in here. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? Kind of similar to July. I wrote gratitude, but I'm going to write the word grateful in there in this one. Simple. Simple, simple. And where is my washi? Oh, right in front of me. I don't actually feel like I need to add anything else, and then here I am pulling out the washi because I love to layer. And the rule of 3 is standing out in my head right now, going, you need to add clusters here, and I am going to do just that. And I know that in this book there's the tiny little florals that will go perfectly in there. Oopsie. How cute and how fitting is that? And then as the month goes, I will write one thing that I'm grateful for in each day and maybe start adding emojis. I don't know, we will see. And I do want to add some florals up at the top. Just like so. Ooh, the blue. Can't forget the blue. Pretty. Again, I don't want to go on overload. I'm actually going to leave it like that. This one is, I mean, decorating my horizontal planner is really easy because I'm going to use all of the room and it doesn't need to be functional. It's just decorating, putting stickers in really cute places that don't really interfere with where I'm going to write. All right, so that is the monthly spread for the horizontal. All right, so that is it for me. Those are 2 different ways you can decorate 2 different monthly spreads. So I do like the Hemlock and Oak because it does have a bit more structure, but it does allow me this page to decorate the way I want, and then I will add in photos to kind of journal how the month went. And then the actual monthly spread in here is where I keep track of my social media as well as my habits down the side and any pre-planning of events and appointments, things like that. And then, like I said, with the classic horizontal, I write one thing in here per day that I am grateful for, and it's so nice to be able to look back on that. So you've got July, June. It's just really nice to be able to see all of that in one place. Alright, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.